You've got a big presentation tomorrow, but zero time to create a deck. Copilot always has your back. You already did the strategy work. You just need some visuals. Let's ask Copilot to take that Word doc and turn it into a presentation. Select Create a Presentation from File, search for your document, and send it. You can actually see how Copilot is going to outline the presentation before the slides are even created. And snap, you've got slides ready to go. But you can't stop there. It's still missing a slide about what happens if your dog has an accident in the office. Let's have Copilot at it. Okay, last step. Let's liven up the intro a bit with an image. Love it. Now I've got my visuals ready to go. Let's get some quick presentation tips. What are some best practices for a compelling presentation? Now you're ready to rock that presentation.